Get away! Get away! Oh my god! Why isn't anyone stopping this? Ah! This is a Yashica. And this is a Yashica. And this is a Yashica. Here's another Yashica. And another Yashica. And then one more in here. Why do I have so many Yashicas? Well, that's because I had to order a whole bunch of them until I finally got one that worked. And then all the other ones came in and they all worked too. So I ended up with a bunch of them. And I've been selling them off, giving them away. So today I'm going to go out and do some shooting. I decided to bring one of these along. I don't know if I'm going to do anything crazy. I'm not going to go on a big adventure. I have to teach a class tonight. I'll be at the darkroom, and maybe I'll show some footage from there. And I'm going to meet a friend at the best coffee shop in LA, in my opinion, which is the Republic of Pie. This is my student, Sarah. She's in love with me, but she won't admit it.
She what?
Quiet.
She's ugly, you said?
No, in love with me.
Not.
It's really weird she won't admit it. I think it's because I turned her down.
Oh my god. Are you filming?
I don't date students.
Exactly.
So Sarah is really oblivious and she keeps asking me what's different about me and she has no idea what. So I didn't get to shoot with the Yashica earlier because...
日本語ではヤシカ。
What?
発音はヤシカ。
What? I didn't get to shoot with the Yashica earlier.
日本語はヤシカ。発音が全然違う。
So I'm gonna shoot with it now. I don't know what I'll photograph. I guess I'll just photograph the darkroom. See, that wasn't so hard. Here are the images I shot in the darkroom. I loaded up some Arista 400 and shot at box speed. Rated at ISO 400 and developed in diaphine, this usually produces somewhat dense negatives. It's always better to have a dense negative than a thin one, especially when scanning, but I found these images to be denser than usual. Here's a look at how those turned out. The last time I shot with an Electro 35, I shot Tri-X rated at 1250 with great results. I don't want to conclusively say that I would rate Arista differently, but it's something I'll consider going forward. I wasn't able to finish the roll that day, so the next day I met up with my friend Joji to do some shooting. This is her dog Smush. He has Down syndrome. A few weeks ago, Joji told me he died, so I thought he was dead for weeks before she told me she just made it up. Don't ask. Alright, Smush! Look here!
Smush, smush, smush.
Smush!
Smush, smush, smush.
Here's the rest of the images I shot. As you'll see in a second, when negatives are overly dense, they don't scan particularly well. But I wanted to show you guys what happens. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next episode. Until then, here's more Smush. Hey you guys! Hi Smush. Hi Smusher. Hey buddy. Is he blind? Hi. Hi sweet boy. Hi, look at that tongue. Look at that tongue. He's a good boy.